In this video, I'm going to introduce to you a feature in the course area, which is going to enable you to create a much better user experience. So this is the DCT Plus membership, which is my tech support membership for System.io. And you will notice that in here, I have onboarding welcome, searchable library of templates, a run.link/login your members area, text, email, address, etc. Now, what happens is these are individual modules because previously in System.io, you had to display a module. So when you click into it, you could see there's individual lessons. When you click into it, you see there's one lesson. Here you have one lesson. Here you have one lesson. It's really not needed to have individual modules, but because I was previously kind of forced to have a module, then that's what I did. However, now you can actually remove the module names. So all you have is just individual lessons. And I want to show you how. So when you go to courses, obviously I've got DCT Plus onboarding. I'm going to hover over the three dots and I'm going to click on settings. Now I'm going to be able to scroll down and you could see right here where it says show module titles for students. I can uncheck that. And now I can click on save. And now when I do that, I can go back to the membership. I can refresh this page and I want you to pay attention on the left, what's going to happen right here. You can see now the modules are gone. And this is just a much better user experience because they could just move and progress with one click instead of what was there before. So this is a great update of System.io. Go check out earlier courses you've had in case you need to do this as well. And this is great, especially if you're doing like small mini courses and things along these lines. I think it's a really great feature.